Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of passenger drones, where flying cars are no longer just a dream, but a reality. Get ready to be amazed as we count down the top 5 futuristic passenger drones that are revolutionizing the way we travel. First on our list is the AirBus Pop-Up. This innovative concept combines a passenger capsule with a modular ground and air transportation system. Imagine seamlessly transitioning from driving on the road to flying through the skies with the push of a button. The pop-up is redefining urban mobility and offering a glimpse into a future where traffic jams are a thing of the past. Now, this isn't your typical drone. It's a modular marvel that pushes the boundaries of transportation. The pop-up system consists of 2 parts, a self-driving electric car and a detachable passenger pod that can be docked with a hovering module. Here's how it works. You can first use the self-driving car to navigate through city streets, avoiding traffic congestion. Then, when you reach a designated takeoff zone, the car seamlessly connects with the hovering pod. This pod, equipped with electric propellers, lifts you up into the air for a smooth and efficient journey to your final destination. Next up, we have the Lift Hexa aircraft. Designed for personal aerial mobility, the Hexa is an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft that puts the power of flight in your hands. With its compact design and intuitive controls, anyone can experience the thrill of soaring above the clouds in this futuristic flying machine. Unlike the modular design of the pop-up, the Hexa is a dedicated flying machine. The Hexa boasts 6 tilting rotors that provide vertical lift and forward propulsion. This design allows for a smooth and quiet ride, making it a perfect choice for urban commutes or scenic tours. Imagine hopping into a spacious cabin with comfortable seat and enjoying breathtaking views of the city skyline as you glide through the air. Additionally, the Lift Hexa is entirely electric, powered by clean and sustainable energy sources. This makes it an environmentally friendly option for congested cities and a step towards a greener future of transportation. Moving on to number 3 on our list, we have the Joby Aviation drone. This sleek and stylish eVTOL aircraft is designed for urban air transportation, offering a fast, efficient, and eco-friendly alternative to traditional ground-based commuting. With its advanced propulsion system and cutting-edge technology, the Joby Aviation is paving the way for a new era of sustainable aerial mobility. If you're looking for something a little more personal, then the Joby Aviation Air might be for you. This sleek single-pilot craft is perfect for point-to-point travel, offering a luxurious and private flying experience. Imagine hopping in an air taxi and zipping across town to a business meeting or a weekend getaway. The Joby Air Aviation promises a quiet and comfortable ride, making even short journeys feel like a first-class experience. If you prefer a more personalized flying experience, then the Joby Aviation might be your perfect match. This single-pilot eVTOL aircraft offers a luxurious and private way to travel between destinations. The air taxi promises a quiet and efficient journey, making even short trips feel like a first-class experience. It's important to note that regulations regarding pilot certification for these types of personal air taxis are still under development. Now, for those seeking an adrenaline rush, the Scorpion Hoverbike injects some excitement into the world of passenger drones. This motorcycle-inspired design lets you take the controls and experience the thrill of flight firsthand. The Scorpion Hoverbike is essentially a flying motorcycle with a single seat and electric propellers. Imagine the feeling of cruising alongside birds and taking in panoramic views of the world from a whole new perspective. However, it's important to remember that safety is paramount. Operating a hoverbike likely requires specific training and certifications, similar to piloting a traditional helicopter. And finally, we have the Volocopter, a multi-rotor marvel that looks like something straight out of science fiction. The Volocopter offers a spacious cabin with panoramic views, perfect for sightseeing tours or comfortable commutes. It's also incredibly quiet, making it a welcome addition to urban environments. As one of the pioneers in the urban air mobility industry, the Volocopter is setting new standards for safe and efficient electric flight. With its innovative design and multiple rotors, this eVTOL aircraft offers a smooth and stable ride for passengers, making urban air travel accessible to everyone. And there you have it, friends. The top 5 futuristic passenger drones that are pushing the boundaries of transportation innovation. Which one of these incredible flying machines would you love to take for a spin? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content about the future of technology. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the skies.